Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Push out the noise. Songbirds replace the morning commute. Face adjusting to the lack of sunshine in the blink of an eye. We know exactly where we were when the world stood still and grounded all the stars. On our back porch patios, relearning the subtle art of breathing. Our tribes, our well-traveled scars. We found warmth inside a family of arms, connected with other mothers, crafting countless lives and transforming two-bedroom apartments into theatrical stages. Ceilings covered in constellations. Learning really begins at home now. We remember every lyric to every song ever played. Living room is the dance floor. God bless the DJs.
Don't you know?
Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Special service,
homies do, turn to fake phony dudes. Let me find out that you phony too. Yeah, fake homies do, turn to fake. Roll my blunt, fill my cup, beat my bitch, hold my gun, load it up, count my slugs. Yeah, they don't know nothing, roll my blunt, eat my bitch. They don't know nothing, roll my blunt, fill my cup. They don't know nothing, roll my blunt, fill my cup, beat my bitch, rub my gut, rub your butt, be my slut, be my cunt. Yeah, so what? Fuck them hoes. They don't know nothing. Fuck they talk about. They don't know nothing. Time to call it with the buzz. First I thought it wasn't none. Probably think I wanna hit it run. Bad girls wanna have fun. I don't want no goody two shoes, no none. I ain't no priest, I ain't gon' preach. I don't want no goody goody, but you still praise G. I share my clothes with my bitch like she my sis. I don't beat my bitch, I need my bitch. She clean my crib, she feed my friends. She keep my secret, she keep my fridge packed, my freezer lit. That's how deep I get. Negative degrees, what's the type of bitch I need? Roll my blunt, fill my cup, beat my bitch, hold my, load it up, count my slugs. Yeah, they don't know nothing, roll my blunt, eat my bitch. They don't know nothing, roll my blunt, fill my cup. They don't know, roll my my blunt, fill my cup, be my bitch, rub my gut, rub your butt, be my slut, be my cunt, yeah, so what? Fuck them hoes, they don't know nothing. Fuck they talk about, they don't know nothing.
She got big accounts too. Big amount of shit you couldn't count. Just picking numbers that you couldn't count to. Like an attitude, curb a nigga when she didn't have to. Around the laws like a British council. Put all the sticks around you. We could build you with a castle. Got a penthouse, see the prom zoo. Got a townhouse with a town view. Got surround sound with the top down. Up Ellington, up the sound view. I was lost then, but I found you. Little slim thick with a bounce too. It's your tough love that I'm bound to. I fuck it up, then it's round two.
Trap me up a dough road, 100 round Drake in a long nose, thuggin' on 8 with the 4-4s, high speed chase to the drug zone, running from Jake and the Popo. They claim the game but they subpar, short 100 purse, need another jar. Been a hot boy with them rock stars, watching out for the sweep off a Dunbar. But them Grand Marquises be unmarked, sitting on the corner in the hood park, say beat this gun charge. Seen them in the hood, hop out the back of a squad car. Either you trap or you farm hot, choppers with straps on the arm stock, slide with Glocks in the armrest. Got some get back, we ain't ducking no wreck. Put that chopper to a nigga lips like some fucking Carmex. Blow the art test, DJ running back like a fucking hot track. Thuggin' in the projects, I wish I could bring my nigga Moss back. Turn your town into old country buffet, but we meant to plug it out back. We was back and forth down the KY running with them Wildcats. Met my young dog up in Mount Jacks to get off the loud pack. Hate my irritating ass J's, but a nigga love to count wreck. Slow roll. Slow roll. Slow roll. Slow roll. On my dock right, look like scribble scratch. Straight drop, got a nigga block slapping like a pity pat. Stuff a bitch with 1,000 Xanax and a Jimmy hat. High head with a heated temper, quick to Windex, a nigga fitted cap. Right hand man, the Grim Reaper. Index finger, don't trigger that. So I think you can fuck with block works. How the fuck a nigga figure that? Nigga got whacked, put him in his hat, twist his top back, with his cat.
Distant Gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Million for the summer house. Love it when the sun be out, cause we be out. Riding around in that thing with the center roll. And the inside of homes like a cantaloupe. Got a Grammy and that just the interlude. Y'all niggas lucky I ain't snatched the other two. Got the lemon that sit on the ear ring. And that bitch glimmering like bling. Dance on the moon to be like sing. Nigga, so far, so far, so far, so far. Damn, bro, that neck on land. Move the pinks and blues, the yellow hue, that shit like rainbows. Big shit, big money, big cars, big Jews, big y'all, big niggas, big talk. Fuck these niggas talking about. Big dreaming, big business, big risking, big winning, big living, big shit. That's whatever, nigga. Big money, big cars, big Jews, big y'all, big niggas, big talk. Fuck these niggas talking about. Big dreaming, big business, big risk, big winning, big living, big shit. That's whatever, nigga.
Maxo, Biggie, Papa, who you know that do it better? I'm the trap Barack Obama, Betty Crocker used to peddle. Mixing drugs, but he love nutty professor with Gazelda. Pockets Kim and Nicky Parker. I make more money than professor. Bitch, I'm getting cake. 8-figure nigga, no more section 8. Move mama out the hood, we ain't good, bitch, we doing great. Big ass mansion, new estate. Friendly neighbors, pearly gates. Sipping on the Palmers with my mama, chilling by the lake. Broke ass niggas love to hate. Can't pay his rent, he always late. I left the hood, they call me fake. Ain't shit realer than real estate. All that flex and capping, that's below my tax bracket. Before I buy a bitch a Birkin bag, I spend a bag on ass. Big splash, big money, big cars, big Jews, big y'all, big niggas, big talk. Fuck these niggas talking about. Big dreaming, big business, big risking, big winning, big living, big shit. That's whatever, nigga. Big money, big cars, big Jews, big y'all, big niggas, big talk. Fuck these niggas talking about. Big dreaming, big business, big risk, big winning, big living, big shit.
For the other shit, I'm going for the win. Fuck it, win. Pulled up with that bitch, then pulled off with a friend. How he get that? Just know he got it in. Gave my partner 50 cents, he shot man and man. If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? Better not drop that pen, we gon' spin again. I'ma spin, we gon' slide. Drop that pen, pussy nigga, come outside. I been running up that check and I ain't tired. Ain't shed another tear since when my grandma died. I got an all-white rose with the bloody guts inside. Think shit sweet and try. Stepping in shoes is not your size. Niggas ain't step. The back of the climb. Think about what? And I got freaking lens all on my mind and chrome the spine. What else? Chrome the 9 and bulletproof the ride. We spin the block and yell like he ain't outside. Heard he had a wedding, he must be the bride. I take them pies, subtract them in the vibe. For the other shit, I'm going for the win. Pulled up with that bitch, then pulled off with a friend. How he get that? Just know he got it in. Gave my partner 50 cents, he shot man and man. If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? If it's us versus them, who you think gon' win? Better not drop that pen, we gon' spin again.
Distant gardens. Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised. Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Back on the set like I never left. I'm taking steps to be the best, so they lay me to rest. VVS up on my chest, it got them DVS. Ain't no tips on my two-door, I want them CSS. Cause if I paid enough, them fuckers better see me coming. I used to drive my mama bucket ride around frontin' on Snyder Avenue, building number 3400. I gave this shit my all or nothing, now my bank bustin'. I'm living plush, new crib, cost a million plus. 6 figures on every art piece that's hanging up. You little niggas still spending on the obvious. And if you think I'm flexing now, just wait till I be up. And just to sum it up, we shining all year long. When I was coming up, they tried to tell me that was wrong. I had to run it up and now I'm right where I belong. And for my niggas dead and gone, I gotta carry on. I pray the Lord have mercy on the niggas soul. We reminisce like it's all we know. Take hollow tips and extra clips everywhere we go. Cause I be taking risks every time that I hit the door. Pray the Lord have mercy on the niggas soul. We reminisce like it's all we know. Take hollow tips and extra clips everywhere we go. Cause I be taking risks every time that I hit the door. Trying to get my doors together. I say a prayer every day, hoping it all get better. I talk to God a lot, these verses is like open letters.
I know that nothing really lasts forever. Like the past, the future don't exist. I know it's now but never. Focused on the price and on my presence is a gift. Just so happen to be good at rapping, that would be my niche. I was only like 6 when my cousin Rich wrote my first verse for me that I would never forget.
On the shore with no need for more.
If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 9 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dough. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well, I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass so advertisers can give them more cash for ads. Fuckers, I don't know what you take me as or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Yeah, it's 94 and my trunk is raw. In my rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. Got 2 choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't trying to see no highway chase with Jake. Plus I got a few dollars, I can fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard, son, do you know why I'm stopping you for? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's real low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or should I guess some more? Well, you was doing 55 and 54. Lost as a registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, I know a lot of you are. I ain't stepping out of shit, all my papers legit. Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit? Well, my glove compartment is locked, so it's the trunk in the back. And I know my rights, so you gon' need a warrant for that. Aren't you sharp as a tack? You some type of law or something, somebody important or something. I ain't passed the ball, but I know a little bit, enough that you wanna legally search my shit. Oh, we'll see how smart you are when the K9 comes. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me. Once upon a time, not too long ago, a nigga like myself had a strong arm a hoe. This is not a hoe in the sense of having a pussy, but a pussy having no goddamn sense.
How can that be true if you're mine? Hoping I'll be chosen. Body so still, you'd think that I've been frozen. You'd think that I've been frozen.
Feel like Serbia, I shot Hercules. I'm a murderer, dirty 30, I can make it dirtier. Urgent surgery or Hershey hurts. 50 cal in the Virgin Merce. 50 pound, that's a turtle verse. When I get around, if I find the time, I ain't been so down, but
a typical day, a temperature drop, a flick on the tube, a bitch ass cop. Gripping the tool, but we ain't watching Home Improvement. Koji vid, my influences brought the flues in. Writing my woes, send a kite through the institution. Fighting the cold, he got life, but he 22 shit. 22 below, only 2-1 cell, 6x8, 48 square feet. Give or take, that's bleak. They tried to tell me choose daddy discreet. Or you be dead or something stupid, I don't know what they had said. Test a nigga, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Fuck, I care, unless we splitting the thigh or leg. Kool-Aid red, it's snowing on the bluff and Boulder Crest. Lift the pole north at your nose and open gifts. Check a nigga temperature froze. Blood trickling, melting the snow, I'm numb so
I never felt it before.
Bottom line is ain't nothing worse than time with an idle mind. Yeah, don't talk to me crazy like I ain't that. Yeah, stop watching my pockets like they ain't fat. Yeah, stop calling me crazy but waiting back. I got my hand on the gat, the other on rap before I run away.
was wearing masks. Me and Jetta bought James to Atlanta, took him to JJ's and had him turned by the end of the day. End up hitting the lick for 2 max and then went to the bank. Stopped by the Texaco and Gresham, shot shot up the tank. I looked out in the spot, he didn't catch his gun in the air. Then he ended my life and shot G in the back of his head. He killed us both, but did he do it? Maybe I'm the one who had the gun, or maybe I made it up. Okay, maybe you're right, I am crazy, I'm sorry. Or maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm just adolescence that's made in the box. Cobain with the pock and Atlanta staying in the pot. And I'll kill you, fuck if I'm famous or not. Crazy. And I'm feeling all like frostbite, feet in the snow. Now hot Atlanta don't feel so hot anymore. Now I'm frozen, neck frozen. My girl bad, my sex frozen, neck open. Ice in my lungs now.
The revolution will not be televised. Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Jerusalema, ikhaya lami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema, ikhaya lami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana.
The ones that hate me the most look just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like BMXing. These boys in they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. What y'all think? Everything that you say about me. My dogs like to play Madden in 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playin' South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told Boy Wonder that we might got a thumper. I been tryna pop, now I'm on like Shumpert. Now they on my bumper. Green room chock full of all my comforts. Hotel room like heaven on earth. Got angels in my bed with some all white covers. Ace Pro Nemo, Lucci and Keys, Sloop Clay Tufo, and I got a few more I call my brothers. I got a lot of flows and they all like butter. Ooh. You know what that means. I came home nice, but I'm going back mean. I'm about to globe trot when they know a vaccine up. Zach lost, but they know exactly what's going on. Made a meal and I don't know where to blow it on. I tell a critic shut up like my show is on. Gave a t-shirt to her, said throw it on. She want a mini high school cut. You try to fight, better get to know your enemy. You try to fight, better get to know your enemy. You try to fight, better get to know your enemy. You try to fight, better get to know your enemy.
La même prière le matin quand je me lève. Que je sois à Panama ou Los Angeles. Tu vis l'instant, la suite c'est dans tes rêves. Je deviens prétexte à se monter en l'air. Pleurer ça fait tu viens mais ça sert à elle. Ça reste important si tu t'en rappelles. L'amour qu'elle m'a fait sentir dans ses lèvres. La victoire devient les yeux sur mes cernes. 6000 j'envoyais des claviers roses. Vu sous cette angle c'était malavieux. Cerveau humain j'finis pas ma vie. J'étais bien si j't'écale pas d'adios. Depuis la nuit t'es dans le message reste le même. La peur, le courage, l'amour et la haine. La même prière le matin quand je me lève. J'ai toujours ce corps beaucoup au-dessus de ma tête.
Distant gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Let me do my dance in this bitch. Gon' be case closed. Made 100 bands off a brick. Made 100 bands off a brick. Yeah, yo. Send my girl to church with some drug money. Told her pay my tithes, thank you, damn.
Do you want take me to my favorite show? D2. Hold my hand and pull me close. Next to me, kiss my cheek, 'cause it's early days. Day 3, take me to a deep river. Steal a kiss when I'm lost in the mist. Will you still be there for me? Once I'm yours to obtain. Once my fruits are for taking, and you flow through my veins. Do you still think I'm beautiful when my tears fall like rain? My love is so bountiful. For a man who's true to me, a man who can follow his heart, not get bound by his boys and his chains. For a man who can follow his heart and stand up in my holy terrain. I am blue when the moon hits my skin right. Hot pink when you open up my sweet thighs. Pull you in and your life can begin, 'cause it's early days. Will you still be there for me? Now I'm yours to obtain. Now my fruits are for taking, and your fingers are straight. Do you still think I'm beautiful when you light me in flames? My love is so
Yesterday's price is not today's price. Yesterday's price is not today's price.
Imaginary players aiming coach right. Master recipes under stove lights. The number on this jersey is the quote price. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right? Everybody get it off the boat, right? But only I can really have a snow fight. Detroit nigga challenge, what's your dope like? If your bin's bigger, step it up to ghost life. Missy, was I only misdemeanor? My tunnel vision's better under stove lights. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right? My workers compensated so they don't strike. Wish me luck, see green like Don Bishop. The ones you trust don't change like them chains you tuck. Far as I'm concerned, who's the best? Me and Jesus. Washed and dried, so give me all of mine in pesos. Add it up. Your bitches in them pictures, but they laser tagging us. They mad at us. Who wouldn't be? We became everything you couldn't be. Everything your mama said you shouldn't be. The Porsche's horses revving like, look at me. Saddle up. I'm still pitching, baby, batter up. Imaginary players aiming coach right. Master recipes under stove lights. The number on this jersey is the quote price. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right? All you niggas get it off the boat, right? But only I can really have a snow fight. Detroit nigga challenge, what's your dope like? If your bin's bigger, step it up to ghost life. The flow's untouched, the drums is tough. Drive coloring in when roads get rough. Snow's a must, the nose adjust. Young G's like we Hove and Puff. Best jewelries and hoes we lust. Chanel trinkets, same hoes will blush. Crush hearts like pretty boys. And we driving pretty toys. Extendos will make plenty noise. Crescendo, make your car endo. Pierce your car window. Missy was our only misdemeanor. Nike box hold 100 out with no insoles. The crack era was such a black era. How many still standing reflecting in that mirror? Lucky visionary players aiming coach right. Master recipes under stove lights. The number on his jersey is the quote right. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right?
I know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsomer. Walk around smelling like a come up in the answer for her problems, but I'm not him, I don't mind it though. You don't like me how you think you do, I like it though. I know I'm fine.
I won't lie, that extra coin don't hurt, but I guess money, baby. I just rather spend yours first. I know for sure the pussy worth more than an Hermes purse. I got the best on earth, so that dick better come with some perks. Yeah, you fine and the money caught my eye too, but there's a big difference between you and my side dude. You be all up in between them thighs, he's who I lie to. You get my titties in your face, he's getting side booed. Yeah,
I know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsomer. Walk around smelling like a come up in the answer for her problems, but I'm not him, I don't mind it though. You don't like me how you think you do, I like it though. I know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsomer. Walk around smelling like a come up in the answer for her problems, but I'm not him, I don't mind it though. You don't like me how you think you do, I like it though. I know I'm fine. The possibility of paper got her trying to tell me I should date her. She just trying to play me. I just play it cool, then I play her. Baby hate the game, not the player. I'm 5'6", but the money made me 6'5". She said I love your songs, I told her to list 5. I'm 5'6", but the money made me 6'5". She said I love your songs, I told her to list 5. I know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsomer. Walk around smelling like a come up in the answer for her problems, but I'm not him, I don't mind it though. You don't like me how you think you do, I like it though. I know I'm fine, but the money makes me handsomer. Walk around smelling like a come up in the answer for her problems, but I'm not him, I don't mind it though.
The revolution will not be televised.
I like it though.
Check. Yeah. Hey yo.
Distant gardens.
Change chopping in the rain. Spending 160. Why you even playing games? If you know you got a ops, you ain't even saying names. Only spending what's left over, you ain't even see the change. I started getting money. These niggas acting funny. Tap the shoulders of the guard. My repertoire's never bummy. Still grimy-ist, slimy-ist. Good weed, what kind is this? Impact spitting dope raps that fit inside the tiny disc. They ain't know my kind exists. The one of one, the finest shit. Ready to see a nigga speed it up and then rewind it shit. Always see them credits, you was better when the climate shit. Architecting, that means you was seeing who behind the shit. Google though, like the Uber go straight to the diamond disc. Used to be pressed, now I'm pressed to get the flyest shit. Press got me fucked up, they wrote me off the highest cliff. Had to get fresh so they watch, know what time it is ballin'. Foggy game turn to alcoholic. Couple shots later, skinny light turning brawling, that's foreign. Still got Aussie money in my wallets. If that ain't self-made, then tell me what you call it. Why? Gotta pay attention, it's a hustle, not a trap. This is for my homies that are broken but adapt. Times are hard, of course, but shit is different when you black. While all the haters doubt you, baby, look at where we at. Luxurious life, blend with the pen and pad. No doubt we stick a move, I'm on the ab, not taking jabs. Seeing fiends lean, held the beams at 14. Anybody knew me then would say I'm living out my dream.
Anyone can get fucked up. They took that little boy out his shoes, man, that was fucked up. No, we do not ride to the other side, they never loved us. I swear, cuz
all my days, never get fucked up. There's a very thin line to getting fucked up. Why is it by my side or what you fucked up? Leave it with your PA with some nut jobs.
You don't fuck no bad bitches, no need to lie. Too many wanna be my friends so they can capitalize. They'll snake you once, they can do it 1,000 times. Out for the night, I've been high. Sometimes I feel to run away. Pack my bags, like one now. High as far, shooting star Luna. Landed in the Uber. Ganja be my old dog.
Andrew made me feel I'm getting older. She my boulder, know what my lows are. Ay, ain't delete my digits like I told her. We been over, but she want closure. Hit the road, been involved, fam is kosher. To my flow, niggas old, I'm a lone shot. Swimming through the deep, I'm getting closer. Can't you see me pre-ing up they throat? Ain't a joke, I get bread just to cope. I got fam, we got plans, they ain't fed up for hope. They ain't pull the trigger, then they get bust the rope. Fell into the river when they said rock the boat. Busy for Elizabeth, I need her. With me every time I saw my visa. They see you when he drop, get a man a washed up. TCP, I'm in the car, never get me fucked up.
Yeah, I learned the game from William Wesley, you can never check me. Back to back for the niggas that didn't get the message. Back to back like I'm on the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like I'm Jordan 96, 97. Whoa, very important and very pretentious. When I look back, I might be mad that I gave this attention. Yeah, but it's weighing heavy on my conscience. Yeah, and fuck you left the boy no options. I wanna see my niggas go insane. You gon' make me step out of my fucking frame. You gon' make me buy bottles for Charlemagne. You gon' make me go out of my fucking way. I waited 4 days, nigga, where y'all at? I drove here in a rave playing AR-AB. I'm not sure what it was that really made y'all mad, but I guess this is what I gotta do to make y'all rap. I mean, oh, can't fool the city, man, they know what's up. Second floor, Tootsie's getting shoulder rubs. This for y'all to think that I don't write enough. They just mad cause I got the Midas touch. You love her, then you gotta get a world tour. Is that a world tour or your girl's tour? I know that you gotta be a thug for her. This ain't what she meant when she told you to open up more. Yeah, trigger fingers turn to Twitter fingers. Yeah, you getting bodied by a singing nigga. I'm not the type of nigga that a type of niggas.
Distant Gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
Make sure you hit him with the prenup. Then tell that man to ease up. I did another one, I did another one. You still ain't did shit about the other one. Got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, going back to back. I got the drink in me going back to back. Yeah, I'm going back to back. I don't wanna hear about this ever again. Not even when she tell them that they better as friends. Not even when you're saying Drizzy, tell them again. I've been putting on the show, it was a sellout event. Oh, you need better seating. I didn't wanna do it, gave me every reason. The point I'm trying to make is I don't ever need them. Seen what you do for fame or what you do for freedom, please. Check them for a while or an earpiece, please. Please do not let these niggas near me, please.
Songbirds replace the morning commute. Face adjusting to the lack of sunshine in the blink of an eye. We know exactly where we were when the world stood still and grounded all the stars. On our back porch patios, relearning the subtle art of breathing. Our tribes, our well-traveled scars. We found warmth inside a family of arms, connected with other mothers, crafting countless lives and transforming 2-bedroom apartments into theatrical stages. Ceilings covered in constellations. Learning really begins at home now. We remember every lyric to every song ever played. Living room is the dance floor. God bless the DJs.
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors that more like strangers. We could be friends. I just need a way out of my head. I'll do anything for a way out.
Distant Gardens. The revolution will not be televised.
In my own way, this feel like living some alternate reality. And I was drowning, but now I'm swimming. Stressful waters to relieve. Yeah, all the things I do to spend a little time in hell. And what I won't tell you, I'll probably never even tell myself. Don't you know that sunshine don't feel right when you're inside all day? nice sound, but it looked like rain. Gray skies are drifting, not living forever. They told me it only gets better. My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors that more like strangers